Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeMechanic. In our last video, we talked about choosing the right OBD to scanner. Now, let us take it to the next level and unlock the full power of that little device by pairing it with some amazing apps on your phone. This is where the magic really happens. We're turning your smartphone into a professional-grade diagnostic tool. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most popular apps out there, like Torque and Car Scanner, to show you how to set them up and what they can do. First things first. Let's get you connected. Grab your OBD2 scanner, plug it into your car S. Put usually under the steering wheel and turn your car S ignition to the on position. You don't need to start the engine just yet. Now, on your phone, go to your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi settings. Depending on your scanner type, you should see a new device pop up, often named something like OBD or VLAN. Go ahead and pair with it. If it asks for a pin, it's usually 1234 or It's that simple. Now that you're paired, let's open up an app. We'll start with Torque, a fan favorite for Android users. When you first open it, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. The first thing you need to do is tell the app which scanner you're using. Go into the settings, find OBD2 adapter settings, and choose your Bluetooth device from the list. Once that's done, the app will start communicating with your car's computer. You'll see some icons flashing on the main screen, and once they turn solid, you're connected and ready to go. The most basic function, and often the reason people buy a scanner, is reading fault codes. In Torque, you just tap fault codes and then scan. The app will query your car's ECU and display any stored codes. If you see something like P0420, you can tap on it, and the app will give you a description of what it means. Even better, you can use the web lookup feature to search for more detailed information and potential fixes online. This is incredibly powerful for diagnosing that pesky check engine light. Once you've fixed the issue, you can use the app to clear the codes and turn off the light. But reading codes is just the beginning. The real fun is with live data. Go back to the main screen and select real-time information. This takes you to a dashboard of gauges. By default, you'll see things like RPM, coolant temperature, and speed. But here's the cool part. You can completely customize this. Long press on any empty space, select Add Display, and you'll see a huge list of available sensors. You can add gauges for your throttle position, intake air temperature, fuel trim, O2, sensor voltage. Name it. You can arrange them however you like, creating a custom dashboard tailored to what you want to monitor. For those of you who are serious about performance or diagnosing intermittent problems, data logging is a game changer. In the settings, you can choose which parameters you want to log. Maybe you're trying to figure out why your car hesitates sometimes. You can set the app to record data like engine load RPM and fuel pressure. Then, you can go for a drive and try to replicate the problem. Afterward, you can export this log file as a spreadsheet. This allows you to graph the data and see exactly what was happening with your engine at the precise moment the issue occurred. It's like having a black box for your car. Now, for our friends on both Android and iOS, Car Scanner is another fantastic, user-friendly option. The setup process is very similar. Connect your scanner via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, open the app, and tap the big green Connect button. Car Scanner has a really clean interface. On the main dashboard, you'll see key information at a glance. Tapping diagnostic trouble codes lets you read and clear faults, just like in Torque. What I really like about Car Scanner is its all sensors screen. It gives you a massive, scrollable list of every single piece of data your car's ECU is reporting in real time. It's an incredible amount of information. You can also create a custom dashboard here, adding gauges and graphs for the specific data you're interested in. Car Scanner also offers data logging, and it even has some pre-configured recording profiles for things like acceleration tests. This makes it super easy to get started with performance monitoring. Whether you choose Torque, Car Scanner, or one of the many other great apps available, the principle is the same. You're taking raw data from your car and turning it into understandable, actionable information. You can diagnose problems, monitor your engine's health in real time, and even track performance. It's an incredibly valuable tool for any car owner. From the daily driver just trying to avoid a costly trip to the mechanic, to the enthusiast looking to squeeze every bit of performance out of their ride. So go ahead, download an app, get connected, and start exploring. You'll be amazed at what you can learn about your car. Thanks for watching CodeMechanic. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY car tips. See you in the next one.